Umaga na. Luluto kami ng dadali namin. Makuha ko yung biyanan. Toaster. Lulutuin namin.
Okay, how hot do they have to? What temperature?
Yeah.
Do you have to cook? For how long? How long do it?
I'm gonna look naman. Please. 10 to 12 minutes.
How many minutes?
12 to 10 minutes.
10 minutes, okay. Timer,
10 minutes to 12 pala. Until she's melted.
Will they fit on this?
Yeah.
You're gonna cook them both at once?
Is
Or
it
just
fit
one
there?
at a time?
Yeah, one at a time. They're not fit me. Do you have one another like that? So they can together? I think that's the one. This one?
Will it fit on this little one?
Yeah. Yeah.
I think it will. They're not real big. Yeah, just fits.
Yeah.
Had them too long, I can't remember.
With tomato inside. This is magic. Yeah. Luto nun ng pizza. It's time check is mga 8:15 na ngayon. Ngayong oras. See you later. Mahaba yung biyahe namin ngayon to New Jersey.
Sweet. Yeah, definitely.
Do you have any Tic Tacs left?
Oh.
You want a Tic Tac, Mom?
No,
Okay, Mom?
I don't want nothing. Nothing yet. I'll have some coffee in a bit. Have fun.
Yeah.
Don't fight. Don't fight with each other and don't yell at each other. Gentle, soft-spoken, kind words. I don't like that yelling and screaming. Even if you're mad, get over it. Dogs get mad. People don't.
It's always every day.
Life is tough. Get tougher. But just people, what they think is great.
Mm-hmm.
I try not to judge them, though.
We might try to be back in August, maybe August.
Summer. We're gonna go fishing with Rafa.
Oh, the cross and the hummingbird that I got you don't work anymore?
Yung mga flowers niya, oh, nagbukasan na.
Yeah, they were.
Bye!
Bye.
Love you, Ma. Love you, Mom!
Bye-bye.
Bye! Love you! Say, Papa Jeff, thank you again.
Maybe in August if we come back to Pennsylvania.
Yeah, we're going back here.
Think about coming to us days like August 6th, 7th, and 8th.
Let's go! On our way, we have 5 hours almost the way to go. It depends if we're gonna stop or... Morning, everybody!
Mr. Franco has
It's
made
on our
an
way.
incredible impact on myself
Okay
and
na
many
to.
other students
Napaganda
as
ng
he opens
person.
the door to experiment
Lagay ako ng
with
patch.
many more elements of performing beyond being on
Bye-bye,
stage.
New
Then
York!
works
See
with
you,
students
New
to help them develop
Jersey!
their craft, whether it be audio
So, mga 3 araw kami doon magstay dahil then.
Management.
Mansion house.
He's
Yeah, that's
incredible
where
in
in the
helping
flower
students
there.
understand there is much
Oh,
more to the
let's
arts
go.
than is seen at most high
Then after
schools.
namin dun tayo ng 3 days, diretso kami. Hindi na kami babalik ng New York. Diretso na kami ng New Hampshire and then back to New York, which is Albany. Doon kami yung lipad namin pabalik ng Florida. And then Nashville naman yung sunod. So just a couple days lang kami magstay ng bahay. Alis na naman. So yun lang update ko sa mga gala namin for mga sunod na araw. Server.
The White House.
What was that? Wow, beautiful blue sky. It's sunny, sunshine. Sana mainit din sa New Jersey. We have brown pizza. Drinks apple. So, brown natin.
We're looking for Delaware Street, 9.8 miles. Or Talon Creek, or Trout Creek.
Pizza. Ganda ng view. Beautiful. Sunny day.
Hello, girls.
Looks good.
The bathing beauties out in the field.
Logo.
Bessie and her friends.
Niluto namin ito sa bahay. Ma'am nag-bake.
Army truck. We're under attack. And Happy Family is doing okay. Whoa. Putting it in low gear, like the trucks would put it in low
So you're
gear.
imagining you are in a car
Big old
race
truck.
track?
Yeah. Saves the brakes. They call it Jake brake. They go. It's a Jake brake. It makes the truck slow down. It uses smaller gear, and it saves you having to use the brakes so much.
Pakaganda ng view. Ganda. Yeah. Second stop over. We're here right now in Roscoe, New York. So it's 100 miles more go to New York City before go out here. It's New Jersey. Yay! Excited na! Malalayo pa man dyan. Ay, ano, it's more than 2 hours pa. Yun lang update today.
Beer World.
Almost 2 hours left. Exact 2 hours. Exit in 17. Welcome
Get
to
over
New
one
Jersey. Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
One more?
Yeah. There. That 9 miles left. Doon na kami sa destination. Kakapasok lang namin ng New Jersey. We're here. Welcome to Wanaki Lake! Alright, Yung trabaho. Hello, we're here in New Jersey. May bisita ko today. May bisita pala, hindi bisita.
Ako ba yung bisita mo?
Sa vlog ko, hoy, kanina, inano ko kanina yung vlog mo. Sabi ko, subscribe nyo to, papunta kami sa bahay nila.
Okay.
Tsaka may vlog ano na naman. Tsaka nagba-vlog dito dahil. Anyway, dito ako sa New Jersey ngayon. Sorry, gagala kami.
Yes, pupunta kami, bili kami ng milk tea.
Ang haba. Ay, pahabaan daw kami ng hair. Mahaba din yung hair niya. May kasama akong magandang dilag ng New Jersey. Zoy! Yung prinsesa ng New Jersey. Zoy, sabi ng pulis. Kasi nakita tayo ng pulis, Zoy. Tawid tayo dito.
Pag ganito sila dito,
Dito kami naman. School na to.
ano nila,
Natawid pala kami.
sometimes sila yung
Naglakad ka before yung sa...
Oo.
Dito ba yun, away?
doon sa kabila.
Ay, dito?
Yan. Diretso doon sa pinakadulo. Eh, hindi ako naglalakad sa madaming sasakyan. Doon ako sa pinakalikod ng store.
Wala akong dalang tripod. Kaya kami.
Kamay-kamay lang.
Ito lang kaya gamit nila. Dito ako nag-edit ba?
Oh, yun. Alam ko nga.
Kasi yung isa yung gamit ko habang nagla-live.
Yung camera ko nga, hindi ko na nagagamit kasi tanatamad na ako.
Madalas na sabi ng asawa ko, look at the view. But you are the best view.
Ooh. Ang OA.
Sabi niya, ay, gagano yung asawa sa camera.
Ang OA naman, may pagano.
OA daw, pero nilalanggam sa sweet.
Tinuruan mo talaga yung asawa mo kung paano, no?
Sabi niya pa nga eh, gaganon siya, dero. Nakamilk din na kami, Zay. Balik.
Lakad lang namin.
Malapit lang naman, hindi naman, 10 minutes ba yun? Mga ganon. Hindi iniwan ko na yung asawa ko dun. Pabalik na kami, baka magising yun. Pero siguro tulog pa yun kasi pagod yun. Then magdidino kami later.
Labas kami.
Date kayo namin later kapag dumating yung kanyo sa Awaday. Para ma-meet ko din yung asawa niya. Lakad muna kami. Marami pa kami daldal kaya mag-gawin muna kasi sa mama. Ay, mamaya na ulit na sa update ko. It's now for dinner. I'm going out with Lourdes, my friend. We're here in their house. Waiting kami lumabas sila. Nagbibihis sila. Si Josawa nakapagbihis na. Outfit check. Ayan yung suot niya. Diba? Pogi na yarn. We're waiting for them. Nothing. I used to have this before this dress. Na fancy. Kasi lamigin ng tao. Kaya nakaganito. Date ko.
Naka-heels yun, babe.
Naka-heels. Matangkad ka pa ngayon lalo sa akin.
Di ba ang ganda ng ano? Ang ganda ng
Yung
dress.
warm sa labas. Warm sa labas, diba? Is the other door? Are we done with the other door? Do you close it? Yay! Ganda-ganda naman ng date ko. For dinner, excited na yan. Mga gutom.
Yes. Gutom na, gutom.
Switch to this.
Sinanda
for the
talaga
wife,
namin yung
'cause
tummy namin ng hapon.
She don't want to drive the big Jeep.
Gutom. It's so expensive.
Yeah, the Jeep is way too expensive.
Wants me to send for freaking.
Inside the cruise and line. Yung maganda kong kadate siya. So we're inside. We're gonna eat for our dinner. Yung kasama ko. Ang sarap ng kain niya.
Spring training. One year it was spring training going on. They had an early.
Half of the problem is most of them are mentally unstable.
Yep. Yeah, I try to avoid Philly when I'm traveling.
It's not pretty.
Landmark of Hindu architecture and
To come here. I don't know why. Maybe she's busy.
It looks so.
Ganda ng temple na napupuntahan namin, no? Entrance pa lang, namamangha ka na. First time din nila pumunta dito, so kami din. Dinala nila kami dito. Ganda. Ay, ganda oh. Tingnan niyo yung ano, statue. Ayan. Statue. Ang ganda niya. Parang park siya.
Uh-oh, which fountain?
It's all one big knot.
Ganda. Maganda. Tawag dito. Exceptional Journey Compassion. Statue na to eh. Yung statue. Oh, diba? Ganda ng statue of the Liberty. Statue of Liberty. Statue ng ano nila, yung Indian temple. Kaya sawa ko. Magbo-burn and then after you get burned. Ala! Gusto mag-burn? Ah. She don't want to get burned.
A small little one here.
Yeah, you can try.
This one here.
What does it mean, my love?
It is.
What does it mean if you're gonna do that? Oh, for an instant with the ass. Here, oh. I think here. This open.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ganda. Shower. Shower curtain, Joe. Shower. Oh. Tempo. Ang ganda, oh. Shower. Ang ganda dito, sulit. Punta kami dun sa loob na yan, dun. Kasi ikot ka muna dito. Yan, ikot yan, pupunta dun. Pupunta kami dyan, sa loob na yan. Sa dami ko napunta mga temple, museum, or itong napunta ko na to temple, which is we're here in New Jersey. Ganda day, para ka pumunta ng India. Mga statue, tas the way yung building, tas may tugtog mga music sa garden, pang India talaga. Sulit day, buti na lang ganda ng panahon, tsaka di masyadong mainit, kasi kung sobrang maaraw, eh, mangitim ka dito kahit ikot-ikot. Malawak din naman. Ang ganda pati. Kakamangha yung pinaka-center na yung tower niya. Tok-tok. Ikot-ikot. Hindi na ako pumasok sa loob. Sa temple.
Ma'am, you cannot take pictures over here. You have to go inside.
Okay. Dito kami sa loob. Ayan yung itsura dito. Ang ganda. Para kang nasa church. Pero pang Indian to. Temple nila dito. Asawa naka-dress. Bawal daw kasi yung nakasuot. Kasi nakatans kami. Ganda dito sa loob dahil. Ayan. Ganda oh. Namamangha ka talaga. Ang takas ng hangin. Sarap. Ganda nung temple na yun, oh. Sangkat. Super the best ng temple na today. Tara! Puro kami picture niya. Buti na lang may tatap tayo. Picture. Diba? Picture ako na naman ko. Pero supportive tayo sa mag-asawa. Ayan, ganda. Oo, may tao nga eh. Oo, makakapunta kami sa loob. I like it.
Kita mo yung ano?
Ay, may tao sa loob. Pwede pala makita.
Oo, pwede. Tara.
Pero may harang din.
Doon sa kabila.
Ah, sa kabila. Buti din mo lang. Thank you Lord, patapusin mo muna kami. Ang ganda oh. Yun oh. Wow! Day, elephant day oh. Elephant. Yung kasama ko nakadress. Yung asawa ko nakadress oh. Parang Mumbai. Sarap ng hangin. Hindi ko na pinapatay yung video ko dahil natuwa ako. Wow, nasa harap na tayo, Jai. Ito ang picture tayo. Oh. Wow! Yung mata ko na malingning, Jai. Ganda-ganda. Bahala na yung ano dyan, dagom na yan. Basta kaya nag-enjoy ako. Ganda sa loob. May elephant pa. See you, asawa ko. Punta tayo sa elephant. Look at the deer. Wow, ganda. Mulan na. Elephant. Babay na mulan. Pasok lang sa loob. Yan, pasok na kami dito. Bye! Ganda dito, Jai. Mapuntahan ko na yung loob. Lahat ng nasa ano na to.
You did not see that.
Galing kami sa loob, Jai. Lahat yan inigutakan namin hanggang second floor. Bawal ang picture. Anything, lahat dun bawal. So, nakatago lang talaga. Hindi bawal ang sapatos. So, may lagayan sila ng sapatos. So, yun, naka-experience tayo pumasok din sa loob. No shoes allowed. Kung wala kang medyas, okay. Kung meron, okay. Yun na. Ang ganda din sa loob na yun. Sobrang ganda ng ukit nila as in. Ganda. Bye! Dito na kami sa palabas na Zai exit to parking. After magala, kumain kami saglit sa bahay. And then dito na kami sa bowling. Bowling kami today. Dito talaga sila nag-bowling lagi. Weekly. Pwede sila sa bowling.
Are you bowling?
Yeah. Bowling, bowling, bowling. Precious, joke lang. Oh, shoes na. Dito lang pala mabilis makabili ng shoes. Nandun na yung size mo. Joke. Mabigat pa yung clothes sa akin eh. Yeah, straight, straight. Whoa!
Two hands? Two hands is a good thing.
Yeah. Go straight. Big lap.
One on Elo, there was the candlestick roll.
I know that one.
You got a good strike.
I highly doubt it.
That ball is 6 pounds. It's just going to lean.
Zay.
Bradenton
Tomorrow
Marauders.
ulit.
They're a
Babay na tayo
slow
sa ating mga bisita.
But,
Bisita talaga tayo dito,
that
guys.
was probably the
So, kasama ko si Loris tsaka si Rosie. Yung mga kaibigan ko dito na mga taga New Jersey.
And then another friend of
Sa mga
mine,
asawa namin din ang usap doon, Zay.
his name was George
So, yun,
Dillon. He
update
was
ko
in the Air
tomorrow again. See you
and
tomorrow.
myself, I was in the Navy.